everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In the last video, we talked about what APIs are and how webhooks actually work in automation. And in today's videos, I'm going to take you one step further by showing you how to create your own account on N8n. So let's jump straight in. First of all, we have to open our browser and we have to type n8n.io. Okay, so we will do then we have to click on sign up option. So we have to find the sign up option and then we have to enter our details and then we have to accept the term and privacy policy, that is the checkbox that we have to agree. Then we have to verify our email, that is through your mobile phone or your mail inbox, where we have to click on the verification that would be sent by N8n. Then we have to log into N8n. We have to use our verified email and password to log in. Then we can access our dashboard after login, where we can see our N8n workflow dashboard will be ready to use. So let's do that. First of all, open the web browser whichever you are using. Then here you have to type n8n.io. Then here you can see the main link. So you have to click on it. Here we will see the get started option. If you already have the account, then you can use sign in option. Here I am a totally new, so I will click on get started. You see the panel like this. Here I will give my full name, company email, gmail.com. Now I will confirm it. Here I have to create a password. You can create based on your preference. Here I will create my account name, that would be N8n user 30. Now here I have to click the checkbox to agree the terms and conditions. Now start free 14 days trial. Here they provide you 14-day free trial, so you can create whatever number of workflows you want to create within 14 days. Then you have to move to the paid version. So what is the size of your company? Here I will select only me. Then next, you have to answer some questions here. What team are you on? IT. What best describes your company? uh, Automation agency. I will select it. You can select based on your preferences. Which of these do you feel comfortable doing? Mm, I will say configuring API authentication or setting up a webhook. How did you hear about N8n? So I will select through mm, word of mouth. What apps do you use? So I will select Slack, AI agent, HTTP request, Google Sheets, OpenAI. Then I will now continue. Even you can skip this. Here I have to here just start automating. So our account is created. Here you will see the plus sign. If it is visible, then congratulations, you have successfully in. So start from scratch And here we see our add first step. So our automation workflows account is successfully created. So here I can search for any node like Slack and like on any event, and I can uh, complete all the details by fulfilling it, and then I can create it. We will see how to uh, fulfill these details in the panel, and then we will create our first workflow. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.